Hi everyone, Transport Topics here to help you answer an outstanding trucking maintenance question. How are downtime-related costs measured, and what maintenance strategies are most effective to avoid the downtime? In the trucking and logistics industry, downtime-related costs are tracked through key performance indicators, such as vehicle downtime, repair costs, and lost revenue due to delayed deliveries. Fleet management software often plays a crucial role by collecting data on vehicle performance, maintenance schedules, and repair history. By analyzing this data, companies can identify patterns, predict potential breakdowns, and measure the impact of downtime on overall operations. To minimize downtime, proactive maintenance strategies are critical. These include implementing preventive maintenance schedules in which vehicles undergo regular inspections and servicing based on usage or time intervals. Predictive maintenance, which uses data from sensors to anticipate failures, also can reduce unexpected breakdowns. Additionally, having a well-trained in-house or mobile maintenance team for quick repairs and adopting effective inventory management for spare parts helps minimize service delays. Combining these strategies ensures smoother operations and lower downtime-related costs. Don't forget to subscribe for more insight into the trucking industry.